Here are 3 tools you need to scale your self-publishing business to 10K per month or more. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books on Amazon, on entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, I'm going over 3 main tools that I utilize in my publishing business that you need to be utilizing if you're not, in order to scale your publishing business to 10K per month or more every single month. So when it comes to these 3 tools, I'm going over them in my computer. I'll go over each individual one on each of the slides, tell you why I like them, how much they cost, and how they contribute to your publishing business. And then at the end, I'll go over a bonus tool that everyone needs, in my opinion, in order to scale their publishing business. So if that sounds good to you, let's get right into it. I don't waste any more of your time. So tool number 1 on this list, as you can see, is called BookBeam. And BookBeam is definitely number 1, far superior to any of the other tools on this list. If you don't have BookBeam, it's gonna be very hard to find profitable books to make, or profitable keywords to make books about, which if you don't have good books, then you're not getting any sales. So sales is the number 1 thing we're looking for here in order to scale our publishing business. So without good books, you're not gonna get any kinds of sales or any kinds of earnings. So books are basically the foundation of your publishing business, obviously. So BookBeam is what's gonna help you find profitable books. So BookBeam, in my opinion, is the best keyword research tool on the market currently. It comes with a Chrome extension. So if you're looking up different books on Amazon, different keywords, you can see if they're popular or not. It'll give you a rating for the competition, show you exactly how much demand there is, the average BSR, all those kinds of things by using the Chrome extension that comes with BookBeam. You can actually buy the Chrome extension separately, or you can buy BookBeam, which comes with all the other tools, which I'll show you in just a second. This is what I was just talking about. It has a Chrome extension for finding keywords right on Amazon.com. So as you're searching on Amazon, you just click the little Chrome extension, BookBeam pops up and tells you all the information that I just mentioned. Also has many other tools like a book tracker. So if you want to track how a book or a competitor is doing over like a month or so, see how their average BSR fluctuates over that month, you can. Book description formatter. So if you want to create a book description in BookBeam, you can do that for your book. Also has a niche finder, which is, in my opinion, my favorite tool that comes with BookBeam. It allows you to do what I call reverse keyword research, which basically allows you to search for different categories that fall within a certain criteria that you're looking for, press search, and then BookBeam will auto-populate with all of the different keywords that fall within that. So if I want to find books or keywords that fall within maybe under 150K average BSR, only like 5,000 results, I can do that, press search, and then it'll show me all the keywords that fall within that. So it makes things very quick and efficient when it comes to keyword research. If you're interested in learning more about that, I do have a separate video. You'll link it down below that talks all about the niche finder. Pricing when it comes to BookBeam, it starts from $12 per month for just the Chrome extension. So if you want to just get started and test it out, you can do that. And then $27 per month for the tools as well. And there's other pro plans that allow you to have more searches and stuff like that. Let me quickly show you what BookBeam looks like. This is the back end. I'm not going to show you this for every single tool because it'll take me way too long, but I'll show you for BookBeam because there's a lot of different features. So you can see on the left here, book tracker, niche finder. So you can do all that criteria like I was talking about, bestsellers rank, number of reviews, sales per day, all that kind of stuff. Keyword research tool, keyword generator, all these kinds of things you can use on BookBeam. It's nice and easy. It's very simple. Also has the description formatter at the bottom here, which is very helpful and useful. I know KDP has its own built-in description formatter now, but I don't really like it. This one's better. And then you can see top right up here, the BookBeam Chrome extension. It's not green because I'm not on Amazon.com, but if I go onto Amazon.com and do a quick search, go to books. I look up hydroponics as an example. I can click the BookBeam extension up here, and BookBeam actually integrates and literally just shows you the result at the top here. It gives me the average BSR. I can also click it and it'll show me all this kinds of stuff. So it's very good for keyword research. Moving on to number 2 here, I'm sure you saw it in the tab at the top of my Google search a second ago, is Publisher Rocket. Without this, I basically wouldn't be able to have profitable Amazon ads. This helps me find all of my profitable keywords to target with my Amazon ads. Publisher Rocket also has a bunch of different tools you can use for keyword research and stuff. I just prefer BookBeam for that. Publisher Rocket I use exclusively for finding keywords for my Amazon ads. So my favorite way to gather and demand keywords for Amazon ads, like I was saying, it's very affordable too. Okay, it's a $99 payment, but it's one time. It's not like you're paying $99 per month. You pay $99, you're done, you're good to go. You can download the app and it's on your computer and you can use it forever. Another thing is that it has a very simple user interface and it downloads right to your computer, like I said. So it's very easy to use. You don't really need any help. As soon as you download it, it just has a couple of sections you can click on and it'll basically walk you through how to use it. It also has keyword research tools built in, like I said, but personally, I just like to use the keyword finder for Amazon ads. And I can go on their website and show you guys what it looks like. I'm on a new computer right now, so my Publisher Rocket app, I need to contact support and get them to approve my secondary device. I need to activate a new computer or else I'd show you guys right in the app. But it's fine, I can just go to their website. This is the landing page for Publisher Rocket. And again, I'll be linking all these different things down below in the description so you don't have to look them up. But if I scroll down to the Amazon ads keywords, you can find them. It has like, you basically search your main keywords. So if I was searching hydroponics, you can search it and then it'll show a bunch of related keywords that I can copy and paste into a Excel sheet and then put that into Amazon ads when I'm making them for my books. And it's very helpful, very quick. It definitely saves you a lot of time rather than gathering like 50 Amazon ads keywords. It does it all for you. So I do like Publisher Rocket. Some people don't like it, but personally, I still really enjoy it. Tool number 3, the final tool on this list. I'm gonna go over a bonus one, but tool number 3 for getting your publishing business to 10K per month or more is Booksprout, okay? And if you don't know what Booksprout is, it is a very, very helpful, I wanna call it software that you can use for your books and your self-publishing business in general in order to generate reviews for your books, because reviews are typically one of the most difficult things for any self-publishers to get on their books. And they're also one of the most important things in order to get sales. So Booksprout helps us get reviews. It's the best way to get early reviewers and build a fan base as well. So not only can you get reviews, but you can build a fan base as well if you have something in your book that asks people to join a list or something like that when they download your book from Booksprout. It basically, this is how it works. It lets you post what's called an ARC, which is an advanced reader copy, to their network of readers. So Booksprout already has a big network of readers ready for you to post your book to and for them to download and read it, and then they'll leave a review once your book goes live on Amazon. So basically, before your book goes live on Amazon, you create an ARC on Booksprout. It's a free copy of your book. All the people on Booksprout can download it. They'll read it over like maybe a 2-week period. Once your book goes live, it notifies them, and then it sends them over to Amazon to review your book. So it's a very easy system to use, and it gets you those initial reviews that you badly need in the beginning to get Amazon ads rolling and get sales coming in for your book. And like I said, reviews are the toughest part when starting out. This solves that issue to a certain extent. It's not going to get you hundreds of reviews, but it will get you that 5 to 20 review mark that is very crucial in the beginning to get Amazon ads going for that social proof. If customers see the reviews on there, they read them, gives them an idea if they want to buy the book or not. And one of the best parts about Booksprout is that it starts from $0 per month, so you can test it out, see if you like it or not. It's not like a free trial or anything. You can literally use it for $0 forever. It goes up to $20 per month. You're going to want more than, I think the initial one is 20 ARCs, might be 10 ARCs. I don't know what it is now. $20 per month gets you unlimited ARCs, so you can get unlimited people downloading your book, which could lead to unlimited reviews. If you have, like, say, a big email list, you can send that ARC link to your email list before a book comes out. If you have like 1,000 people on the email list and maybe 10% of them, so 100 of them download the ARC, you'll get maybe 50% of them leaving a review on Amazon, which would be 50 reviews right out of the gate. So very, very helpful tool for self-publishers. And finally, the bonus tool here on this list is Mailchimp, which is a way to store your email list. So you can send out bulk emails to a big list. Like I was saying, with your ARCs, you might want to send out one big email to all the people on your fan base. You can hold your fan base in Mailchimp, send out that email to them, and they can download the ARC. Or you can promote things like different products or different books and make money off of that kind of thing. So having a good, reliable CRM or newsletter option kind of thing, Mailchimp is a good one to get started with. It's always been reliable for me, and all the new people who are in my programs, I suggest them to use it as well. It's the easiest and most affordable way to build a list. It's super simple. Lists of fans help for future reviewers, like I was saying, and selling more books. Mailchimp plans start out from $0 per month and go up from $14 per month, depending on your list size and the different features that you need within Mailchimp. So very good to have on your tools list, and something that's very important for any new publisher that's getting into the game or you're trying to scale your publishing business. I go on about other bonus tools like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com. I don't really consider those tools. They're more sort of websites, but they are things that you need for a good publishing business as well. If you're going to be hiring things like ghostwriters or cover designers or editors, Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, those are also good resources to know about. So those are my 3 tools. Hopefully you guys enjoyed them, plus a bonus one at the end. If you have any other tools that you want me to go over, or you have tools that you want to mention in the comments, leave them down below. Let me know which ones they are and I can review them. or you can just let people know who are watching this video about other tools that may be helpful for self-publishers to scale their publishing business and earn more royalties. If you're interested in learning more about self-publishing and getting into it, the best place to start is in my free Facebook group, which is linked down below. First thing in the description down below. You can join it. There's over 2,500 members in there. I think there's 2,700 now. We talk all about different things that go into self-publishing, how to get started. And I also have a 100% free PDF you can download that's pinned to the top of the group. It's gonna walk you through my 5-step process to self-publishing. 100% free. If you want to join that group, there's a link down in the description below. I'll see you in there. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you drop a like on it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Try to post new videos every single week about self-publishing, entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So anyways, thanks for watching this entire video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.